Number 4 gives you an SDR that's figured per meter squared. Okay, so this one's not weight-based, but this one's based on the patient's BSA. So we have an order for drug Y to give 4 milligrams by mouth 4 times a day. And our patient's BSA is 0.8 meters squared. So the safe dosage range says we need to give 20 milligrams per meter squared daily in 4 divided doses. So I like that, we're giving it 4 divided doses is happening 4 times a day. So that frequency does match there. That's good. All right, so step 1. We need to figure out our safe dosage range so we can figure out if the order is safe. So safe dosage range says 20 milligram per meter squared. So we are going to get to calculate that 0.8 meters squared in there as well. But we're trying to figure out how many milligrams that we're allowed to give daily. Okay. And that again goes back to SDR per day. We are going to get to look at what's going to happen per dose as well. So, excuse me. Let's start with milligram per day. And again, we're pulling in our safe dosage range that 20 milligrams is supposed to happen per meter squared daily. So I'm going to say that's a per day. So it's 20 milligrams per meter squared per day. And our patient's BSA has a 0.8 meters squared. So we'll pull that in so that our meter squareds can cancel. So we do the math and it works out that they can have 16 milligrams per day. Now, step 2 wants to know what is the SDR for a single dose? Because, looking at your order, that's 4 milligrams. Well, that's not 16, but that's 4 milligrams 4 times a day. Okay, so your order is written per dose, but your safe dosage range is written per day. So you really got to be careful with that and make sure you're comparing apples to apples here. Okay, so that 16 milligrams is supposed to happen per day. Remember we said that the safe dosage range said to split it into 4 divided doses. So let's take that 16 milligrams divided by 4 times a day. 16 divided by 4 should give you 4. So we have 4 milligrams per dose. Now that's looking better, right? So step 3, is it safe? The order said that we had to give 4 milligrams 4 times a day. Yeah, that's looking exactly like what our safe dosage range says. So yes, it is safe to give.